Beauty with Destiny, and today we are unboxing my Boxycharm Premium December box. I like to come in and take pictures with my box, but it looks like my box got beat up, okay? It's had a rough time getting to me, so no real pretty pictures this time, but we're gonna make the best of it and open my box and see what kind of goodies Boxycharm gave your girl. Your girl got scissors in hand and I'm ready to get the snipping and open up my box. So as I crack that open, let's see exactly the kind of goodies I got in my Boxycharm Premium box. It ain't that bad. Okay, so first thing I pulled out my box was this Elemis. First off, I really love Elemis products, so I'm really excited to get this. But I have my Elemis Superfood Matcha Eye Dew. Now, as you've seen previously in my other videos, or if you haven't, I have a few eye care. So we're gonna see which one works best for me, because lately working a 9 to 5 and doing these videos and then having a personal life, I don't really get much sleep. So my eyes suffer and I'm gonna need products to help with that. So thank you. Let me just open this up just so I could see and smell. It smells good. This is how it looks. I'm just gonna like put it under my eye. Reading the description of our card, Elemis Superfood Matcha Eye Dew. This cooling eye gel with matcha, kiwi, honeydew melon, and a probiotic immediately quenches and hydrates the eye area throughout the day, helping to revive and refresh to give a healthy glow with or without makeup. You guys be the judge. Am I glowing? Is it a healthy glow? I think so. This lightweight gel absorbs easily into the skin to offer the perfect on-the-go solution for an eye area that feels wide awake. So let me just say that I did put it under my eye. It's definitely lightweight. And you could tell it's kind of gel. It's a tad bit sticky. It is what it is. It's a tad bit sticky, but I like it, and my eyes do feel something. So maybe that's that on-the-go awake feeling they were mentioning. So I approve, and I give it 4 out of 5 stars. If it gets better than my other products, I'll give it 5 stars. One thing about me, your girl loves an eyeshadow palette, and look what I got. Okay, let's open this bad boy up, because I don't even want to read the description. I just want to look at the beautiful and vibrant color. It looks like a book. It's gorgeous. Let's start with that. And oh, it's so pretty. First off, it's the titles for me. I love a good title. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, my Minnie Mouse ears on the wall. Well, who doesn't love this? Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, so let me focus up and read you guys the titles here. So the titles of these shadows are called Driven, Empower, Captivate, Limitless, Fearless, Goals, Joy, Independent, Angelic, and Divine. Y'all, this is made for me. I am angelic. You can see my halo right now, can't you? Yeah, I'm like using that in my next video, so get ready, guys. So reading off our description, the Kenya Antiveros Beauty Glow and Go Kit. Shine all year round with the Glow and Go Kit. Designed in a sleek, travel-friendly palette filled with Kenya's favorite shades. This all-in-one kit is all you'll need for that everyday glow or touch-ups on the go. I like it. I like it a lot. And I don't know, I think I just love pink as well, so show you guys one more time how pretty it is. That is so cute. I love palettes. I'm gonna do my next tutorial with that one. Our next product we have is the Styla Huge Extreme Eyelash Mascara. It's very pretty, and I'm gonna open it up to show you. And if I wasn't already wearing, you know what, heck it, I'm gonna just put some on right now, because I'm excited to see how huge this mascara really is in transforming my eyelashes. Because I put on mascara prior to recording this video for you, but hey, no harm, no foul. Ooh. scared to just come back and pick some on. So let's see the difference. Okay. It's the truth, y'all. It's huge. My eyelashes, huge. Bottom lashes though, 10 out of 10. Definitely, I like it. I love it. I'm feeling it. It's very pretty. I love the bristles. I love bristles that kind of like elongates your eyes and makes your eyelashes, instead of like clumpy and close together, like spread apart and wide, like as if you're wearing real falsies. So I could get jiggy with that. And just reading off huge stylist volume, I can't talk, volumizing, you know what, I think I'm gonna skip over that word. Long wearing mascara drenches every lash in intense triple back pit. I really can't talk, guys. Let's another take. And take 3. Okay. Be huge. Stylist volumizing long wearing mascara drenches every lash in intense triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the boldest blackish lashes ever. With just one coat, you'll instantly get major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. Go as bold as you want, even with multiple coats. This flexible formula leaves lashes soft with no clumps, flakes, or fallout. And I agree, because I don't really have like clumps. I like it. There was no fallout. I like it. And wasn't that take much better, y'all? Feel me? I have to just get in the groove real quick. I bounced back. Groove is a 10 out of 10 for these. Not cologne. It's not perfume. It's a flawless serum. And let's open it to see what this flawless serum looks like. I'm excited to try anything flawless. And I love when anything new comes to Boxy. It's gorgeous. Packaging is very nice. It was dirty, but it was nice. I think I should put it on me. Let me just a little test it first. Guys, it's not pumping. Oh, ooh, ooh. Here it go. All right. I like how it feels. You guys tell me, because I put it all over my face. Am I transformed? Do I look good or nah? I like the serum. It has no scent whatsoever. Like, that's amazing to me, because if people with sensitive skin, they don't want to do all those perfumes. So I like it a whole lot, and I feel like it feels very good. It's as if it melted right into my skin, guys. Like, as I'm applying it, it feels like silky smooth and like baby oil 2.0, but without that oily, greasy kind of feel. So it feels amazing. It's just like seep right into my pores. Makes my skin feel soft. Like, I already have soft skin, but we're gonna talk about that another day. So it does make my skin feel soft, and I like it. So 10 out of 10, especially because it has no scent, and I don't want to be, be mixing perfumes whatever when I go out. I want to have like one thing and one thing only. That's it. So reading off our card, our Epi1 Skincare Beverly Hills Flawless Serum is a powerful serum that reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms while providing the skin's surface with a protective barrier, helps retain water in the corneous layer of the skin, making the skin appear plump and radiant. Well, I definitely feel radiant, and I don't really have wrinkles, but you know what? It's never too early to start. Once I become of age and start getting wrinkles, they won't even be there, because I done started at age 25 with these fine lines and wrinkles. You feel me? So, period. Go ahead, everyone. You know, second to best thing that I love besides eyeshadow palettes are face masks. Because, honey, in order to take care of your makeup and have good looking makeup, you have to have good looking skin. And I'm finna get my whole life together with this ID.AZ. I ain't even gonna try to put it the ID.AZ. No. We gonna call this a spade, and it's the ID.AZ. And this is our water fit mask. It feels very heavy. Like, if they wanted to just put 20 in there, that'd be very appreciative. But if it's just one, I'm gonna just take what I get, of course. But let me open this up and see what it's looking like for you guys. And I got that bad boy open, and it looks like I have multiples. They did right. Okay, I'm gonna just read off of this. It says the ID.AZ provides a truly moisturizing solution for your skin to treat delicate skin which has been stressed by internal and environmental factors. Yes, my skin been stressed. Help a sister out. Help me out. I love how it feels. Oh, I'm still doing this in my next video, maybe prior to my makeup application, just so you can see the difference. So I think they gave me 5 masks, right? 1, 2. These are some heavy good masks, first of all. Ooh, there's 5. There's 5. Oh, I think I might have to just pull my family into this, and we could just make it a good thing for Christmas. I don't know. They gotta get their skin together too. The ID.AZ Dermastic Water Fit Mask is formulated with deep moisturizing ingredients and essential nutrients to soothe and moisturize the face. It hydrates and smooths the skin by resolving dry skin problems, which I be doing have sometimes, like especially during the winter. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell, I was darker in the summer, and it's like when the winter comes, all my melanin just want to like disappear. Like, why? I liked it like that. Like, so whatever. It gets really dry, and I just get a little bit pale, but it is what it is, I guess. Where was I? It hydrates and smooths the skin by resolving dry skin problems and recovering damaged areas by giving maximum moisturization while removing dead cells, opening pores, and relieving skin tissue. Sound like something I want to get rid of. Dead skin, relieving skin tissue. All that sounds amazing. It sounds amazing. I can't wait to show you how amazing it is, especially on my skin. But I'm kind of more like excited to get my family on board, because they're always like, oh, what do you have? What can you do for my skin? And I'm just sitting here like, girl, let me show you. And hopefully they're on board to record it with me, because my family's hilarious. And I get this bomb personality from my parents. So I'm excited. Anyway, on to the next product. So normally I get excited about anything that has to do with the lips, because I am a big lip girl. I mean, I have these luscious, gorgeous, so cute. Okay, I'm dragging it, but I got nice lips and I love my lips. However, I got lip pencils, and the thing about it is that I like a lip pencil. I just would prefer it not to be pink or red, because knowing me, I'm not gonna, you won't see a pink, and I'm gonna like put it on you like right now just to show you guys. So it's supposed to get like this velvet kind of feel, but you'll never see it on me. I can't see it on me. So in my young Miami voice, it's something, it's always something, just something, it's something there, but it's not like the splat. Ooh, you know, like it's not giving none of that. It just, lip liners are so good on me when they're brown. Oh, child. Brown lip liners are the wave. And because I got a pink and a red, I don't normally apply any lip liner that would, like, you know, there's no need for it, kind of, because any pink or red I just apply and go. So thanks Boxycharm. This was actually my last product to review. My box is empty. And that is all. Thanks, beauty babes, for watching me unbox my Boxycharm Premium December box. I had a good time. I hope you enjoyed. Please turn your notifications on to see what kind of videos I have next for you. Christmas is coming up, so that means more videos, more of this face, and hopefully more vibes. It's just giving vibes, right? I love you all. Mwah. Thank you for watching again.